West Karbi Anglong constituency sirkep ang bongpen kachapati tunjia tu amen an kapang dakpon. Pini West Karbi Anglong hamren disi asa hemalong non ke bang di embassy kilik along constituency sirkep ang bongpen kachapati tunjia bang phua bang pia tu amen an. West Karbi Anglong hamren deputy commissioner Krishna Borua pen tokjir arlo pen kapang dakpon. Nijang Karbi Anglong Duar Amla Bijoy Teron Indian National Congress Sarkar Phangcho ASDC Prabhat Chandra Taro BJP Longki Timu APHLC Ramsing Inti Independent Amri Jenison Teron Indian National Congress D Umping Maslai BJP Ajendra Tiso APHLC Elvin Teron Independent Chintong Rupsing Bongrum Indian National Congress Sar Im Teron APHLC Litsong Rongphar Independent Abhijit Kro BJP Socheng Ramsing Terang ASDC Longri Kro APHLC Martin Timung Indian National Congress Hetsing Rongphar BJP Longkiri Tiso Independent Rongkhang Singh Teron Indian National Congress Clear Terang Independent Longbison Bay BJP Jonathan Intikathar APHLC Dilip Terang CPIML Longbir Teron Independent Bithuleng Thama Longson Ingjai Independent Sikari Kathar ASDC Kangbur Hanse CPIML Vikram Hanse APHLC Turiram Rohang BJP Kopili Kareng Phangchupi Indian National Congress Ashok Kumar Chauhan AAP Bina Rompipi CPIML Kursing Timung APHLC Pawan Kumar BJP Dilip Johar Independent Bajong Tiso Independent Hamren Rupsing Bay Indian National Congress Mensing Terang ASDC Angtong Intikathar APHLC Jonarson Tokbi Independent Mongol Singh Timung BJP Amreng Elis Ingtipi Indian National Congress Chandra Timung CPIML Dhuneswar Rongphar APHLC Biren Singh Inghi Independent Rina Terangpi BJP